Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to use inspect elements in Chrome browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following new to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so sometimes you get to a web page like this and you want to get to the root of the matter on how they code a particular website, or you want to get some information from a web page. Let's, for instance, on this particular website right here, which is e-commerce website, so we want to get some source information about this site. Now, for instance, if I try to click on any of the products right here, if I click on this particular product right here, I click on it and it's loaded into another page, just like what you see right here. Now we have variety of a single item that will just click. Now let's say, for instance, I want to get the source of this particular or a particular link. So for this particular link right here, this jacket here, I will simply click on it again and it takes me to another web page entirely. Now we have details about this particular product right here. Now we want to get this particular image details and some of the information details right here. So what we need to do right here is to right click on the outside of the page. Then when you right click on the outside of the page, next thing you need to do is to navigate to inspect right here. And when you click on inspect, you will see the elements of the web page, the complete element page of the web page. Now everything is going to load up just like what you see from the side of the web page right here. Now from the top right here, so you see how the coding is done. So you can scroll to the top right here, and the more you hover your mouse, the more you see the detail. So like so right here, so you can scroll down and then begin to check on some of the elements right here. Now if you want to check on the image, so simply click on it and it will take you to the image in the element right here. So you can also go to console. Then you can go to the source. So under the source right here, you can scroll down and check some of the elements you would like to check. Then if you want to sample an area that you need to get an information from, what you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on this icon right there, which means select an element, and then take it to the mouse, take your mouse to the element. So you want to get the image, you will see that your information is going to the image. So if you take it to the image, this is where you get the image from here. You can see JPEG right here. So if immediately you take out your mouse, everything moves away. So you can simply scroll down and check on some other informations right here. So just like so. Now I want to get on this particular image. So click on it and then you come back here. You have the image source. Now if you want to get the image, we have the image source right here. So next thing we want to do here is to come down below right here and we simply click on this link right here and it will automatically take us to where we can simply view the image. Now we can save the image into our PC right here. So we can go back and get as many as possible different kind of information from this particular page right here. You can swipe this way and check on some other information. You can use this method to get on information from any type of website, as the case may be. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to use inspect elements of a web page in Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video.